Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how I built a multicolor LED floor standing lamp for very cheap. I got this Monster Basics light strip for a very good price, and actually this is meant for TV or PC monitor as a backlight. So it comes with a self-adhesive backing, so you just stick it on the back of the TV. It is USB powered, so it needs a 5-volt standard USB port, USB charger. It changes colors. It has different modes, controllable speed adjustment. Comes with a remote control, of course. On the remote you can adjust the brightness. You can turn it on and off. You can choose the between 3 different white settings, and then also you can change colors. The length of the LED strip is 6.5 feet, that means 2 meters. And they said the remote control works for up to 26 feet away. I bought this bedside table lamp for about $5 at a local thrift store, and I'm planning to use it as a base for the LED light strip. It is made out of welded metal tubing and is already painted in matte black, so it's perfect for what I need. I am removing the old wiring because I'm not gonna use it anymore. I had this piece of corner molding from some previous construction work, and I painted black to match the base. I'm going to use it as a support for the LED strip. I drilled a larger hole on the top of the base, so the whole molding stick will go through that hole, and at the bottom I drill a smaller hole for a screw. The screw will hold the molding stick in place, so it won't let it move. Sticking the LED strip to the inside of the mold is very easy. Just peel off a small portion of the backing and press firmly. The adhesive is very strong and is soft, so it will take the shape of the inside of the corner molding. Testing the lights just to make sure everything is still okay. I've drilled a hole in the molding stick where the screw goes in, just to prevent the wood from splitting. After testing it once again, I retouched the scratched paint and the lamp is ready to go to the bedroom. I've placed the lamp on one of the corners of the room by the bed, and it really looks cool. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.